So I go on again, my opinionated peeps, and me have a little update for you right now. So the reports coming out right now is saying that slain suspect in the cop killings is actually the son of a retired police officer. Now, my question is, does that really matter? No, it don't really matter. But I guess they must say, yo, the son of a police officer turned criminal come out and kill police. Boy. Anyway, me could jump into it. So it has say, yo, Damian Hamilton, the man who was shot dead by cops Friday after being identified as the main suspect in a deadly attack on the police in St. Catherine, is actually the son of a retired policeman, is what the reports are. Hamilton, who was deported from Canada, was killed in what police said was an exchange of gunfire at a house in Corville, St. Andrew. Now, me like how them put that still. Them say, yo, what the police said. Because you know sometimes you can't take everything what the police say and say, I saw it really go. But yeah, me like how them put that. Now, family members who were informed about his demise Friday afternoon refused to comment when they were asked what drove the 39-year-old into a life of crime and bring disgrace to his family. Well, of course, them would not want to say nothing because, I mean, that is actually disgrace in bring for true. But if you notice the captain, him is a deportee as well. Yes, a deportee. Now, a source told reporters that Hamilton had an estranged relationship with his father but did not want to say anything else. The deportee, who was said to be the head of a criminal outfit that killed 2 policemen in Horizon Park off Old Harbour Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, was gunned down by lawman after he escaped and sought refuge at a house in Corville Gardens. Hamilton, who had fled the scene leaving an M16 rifle, is reported to have tested his against officers in Corville when he fired at police with a 9mm pistol, injuring 2 of them. Yo, me like how them put this. Them say, yo, the man test him fate. But, boy, me listen to all people talking, man, and yo, the way in which them say, yo, the man them take on the police car, it different. You see, them cars all one of the police car if flip over upon the roof. Wanna see it? So the report says our sources said Hamilton was thrown out of Canada after police there finally nabbed him for gun-related crimes. He was also accused of stabbing and injuring a family member previously in a dispute. Now, this is one of the reasons why most people always say, yo, are people who get deported and come back to Jamaica always come go on with the crime and go on with all kind of things. You know, cause see there, him the Canada, him go on with them things, the Canadian authorities, them grab him and ship him back to Jamaica, and him come to Jamaica go on with a bunch of things. You see me I say? No, the report says, having gone to Canada to join his family, Hamilton, which is what the source is saying now, didn't take too long to get involved with the criminal underworld. He got his schooling at Harewood College and resided at Gobe, just outside Riversdale district in St. Catherine. Now the source also say, yo, that brother wasn't the typical deportee, because unlike some people when them get deported and come back to Jamaica, yo, them not know if it's stay and them thing there, but that brother never did have that issue there, because family members and friends at Canada make sure say the man have somewhere to stay when him get back to Jamaica, and them did also make sure say him alright. So the brother really never really have to get in a crime, you know. Yes, I mean I say, but then again, who knows? Maybe the same proceeds from crime in Canada did make him live good at Jamaica. Anyways, just my opinion, right? But them must say, yo, what you know no? Them don't know where the brother get funds from for acquire weapons and, you know, maintain or finance the lifestyle where him that live for him and his cronies. Yo, where them think? Come on, man, really? What wanna think? Outside of that, they must say indeed operate a barber shop in a bagwalk. That's what them say. Hamilton said the source received him training from one of the most radical criminal underworld entities in Canada. However, him couldn't say which radical group that is exactly. Well, the source you see him for no whole heap still, but it's all hearsay anyways. We're not really too sure about that. But that is what the reports are saying, right? But my take on this is, as me say still, that is just one other criminal gone down out of the system. And we're glad for that. You understand what I say? Because too much of are coming to a little island, Jamaica, and are going with a bunch of things anyways, you know. So who want to hear this and not like it, so be it. But it's just the facts. That is my view and my opinion on this. You understand? Watch out, man. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you say about this, because your opinion always matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.